nilibang pa man na siya. Oh, that guy.
Watch where you're going. Where's the bell?
Oh. Is the train having a bell?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Just stop talking.
Don't tell me you're stopping.
Oh, stop.
Oh my god.
Oi, don't use that word then, please.
Yeah.
This is just picking up cars.
Why again?
This is the time of the day that we will back up, we will forward and back and forward and back, forward and back, because
Why?
we just want to.
Yeah.
Oh, it says in St. Laurent Atlantic. St. Laurent Atlantic. It would be really cool if you were a train operator just like that.
I wish I drove a train.
Oh, when you grow old. When you're grown up, I mean.
But I still don't know what train to drive.
Oh, you'll figure it out.